And action.
You see, the implications that technology can have on religion is exemplified by the effect that more modern painting techniques had on the religious controversies between those who disliked icons and those who loved icons in the ancient Byzantine Empire. You see, the more modernized painting techniques made the icons seem more real, and therefore people were more religiously and then it caused more problems because people began to identify more with the icons than with Christ. Now, I'm sure that you will love to hear about my plans for my next semester, and of course I have a new invention that I'm working on. This one is really good and it will be very useful. I mean, I believe that I'm going to do...
Yes, I'm very eager to hear about your new plans, but it's nearly 9, I believe, and I think Colonel has calmed down Mrs. Peacock, so what say you to a cigar?
Yes, that would be lovely. That was good.